G'day guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, me and my mates go down the Birding River, fishing, camping and boating. Driving the tinnies around, you know, upstream and downstream we go. We go to the Bogey River and then we go to Expedition Creek that join into the Birding River, you know. We see some good crocodiles and catch crocodile too. Yeah, you'll see. Catch some catfish and all that. Yeah. Hopefully you enjoy the video and let's get it. Good fish on.
Big catty.
Oh, what is it?
Like catfish.
What is it? Just a shit fish. Don't worry about it, it's just catfish. Oh, don't worry about it. Oh, whatever. I'll just unhook it here. Big old catfish.
Got a million catfish. Got a million catty gun. You buff it? Like that. Yeah, just work it.
Big catfish. See you later, mate.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I got a deer. I didn't care now, you know. Empty, might as well use it for something.
Got it!
Yeah, I told you. Just pulled this catfish in. Go about 60, but it's real fat and wide, so yeah. Pulled drag, even jumped out of the water. And it's very cold.
Oh, I didn't even get his lid off.
Yeah, big creamy catfish. Smash it. Give you a better look at this catfish. It goes 71.
You know,
Oh, about 70.
it was before.
Yeah, it shrunk a bit. About 71. There's a bait we're running here. Just like a big perch. Yep, and the catfish love it. They just pull drag.
Make it fat off it.
Right there. Now we wait. Cameron's got a good fish. We were just having a sleep, weren't we?
Yes. Oh. I was like, hopefully my rod doesn't go
I heard
off.
something and I was like, holy shit. You basically flew out of your flag, eh?
I'm about to say, hoping my rod didn't go off.
Right.
What is
What is it?
Oh, I don't know.
Is that a catfish or?
Yeah,
Oh, you got my line, didn't you?
Yep.
I gotta get.
That's alright. It's coming up. Oh.
He's huge, eh?
No.
Oh, I bet so. Fluffies, yeah. Big catty.
It's clean.
Oh yeah, untangling the line. Pretty big catty here, Cameron just caught.
Yeah. Big catty king. Oh, I bit my hook.
Oh,
Oh,
the
no.
whole hook. It was peeling drag, but hey.
Look like it.
Just measuring it now. Yeah, about 68.
Again.
Yep.
Caught one of these last week.
Yeah, not bad. It's probably the same one. We'll just get the release of this big donkey.
They can't even like croc.
Yeah, see if we can't get bloody eaten. Oh, he's going straight away. Catch him again soon, probably.
Get it.
I just wanted to show you this big gum tree. Biggest root system on it. You can probably nearly camp in there. It is massive. That was big on there. The water just washed everything out of it. It's bloody huge. Here we are. Going down the rapids. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna steer it in there. We're just gonna jump in the boat and just float down there. That's how we do it. Ready? You're right. Karen. Oh, rocks. All good. Yeah. You're right. Fish biting at me line here. Be a catfish. Is what I reckon. Should bring an umbrella. The old Bogey River. Bit of a mission to get here. Hopefully it's worth it. Oh, there's bait there. Fish on, Cameron.
Yeah, mate. Nah.
This fish. Oh yeah, that's probably a far. Mine's getting bites too. Am I filming mine?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Cameron. Catfish or bar, you reckon? Get him in, whatever it is. Look at Barris. Is he coming in? He's not jumping. Too big to jump. What is Barris? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, go for it flat. Yeah, it did. SD card full, it reckons. Big caddy. Oh shit, Cameron.
Holy fuck.
That's a monster. Oh, Cameron. You got it? Cameron. Oh, that's a monster caddy. Yeah.
Give me my GoPro.
No, that's flat. Oh no, it says SD card full. And we're gonna measurement on this big donkey. This Cameron's Catfish, 75 centimeters of length. Yeah, not bad. Just releasing this monster. He's going to.
Ready for Crocodile.
Next minute, big croc. He's gone. How's it going? Today with me and Matt Hunter here, we're going crocodile catching.
Yep.
Down the, oh, you probably can't see. Down the Burdekin River here, mate. Going in my boat. Yeah, mate. Anyway, let's get it. Get on, jump on it, jump on it.
My phone's so wet.
Hang on. Oh. Where's my rod? I don't know where my fucking rod is.
Is your GoPro on?
Is it?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, I broke my nose.
I just pegged it.
Yeah, you grabbed my tail, threw it up on the bank.
Shut up, mate.
Big fucking clean.
Yeah, hold on. Let me fuck.
Oh, my knee's still it. Wait, where's that rod? I think I broke it.
There.
It snapped?
Yeah. Alright, let me.
There you have it, folks. That's how you get crocodiles. That's what he reckons.
He wants his mummy.
Yeah.
Anyways,
We'll
we'll take this back to camp to show the others. Then we'll give him the old release.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Beautiful. We'll just release this beautiful specimen. Show you the teeth. Show you the teeth on it. Some big gnarly teeth on it. Anyway. What do you reckon here?
Yeah, Lou just whack on the ground there. Yeah.
Oh, mate.
Oh. There he goes.
From the release.
Bye bye. Little one.
Here we are in the boat this morning. Just mucking around going upstream. There's Cameron in his boat back there. I'm just a guide. Easy dubs. Yeah, holy shit. Look at the crocodile there. Should do it. And there's a dead barrier, so. In our boat missions, mate. Cameron back there. That ain't good. How deep? There you go. Look at that colour. Hey mate. Yeah. Holy.
Holy.
He wasn't scared of us at all, eh? Look at this for a big crocodile slide. Expedition Creek over there. And he lives around here. Big saltwater crocodile. How big you reckon? 18 foot?
Yeah,
About 18 foot. Yeah, a bit sketchy here.
the scales on.
Yeah, look at the scales on it. Oh yeah. Big fella it was.